For the complete recipe, please check out ivyskitchen.net. Heat oil and saute your onions. Once caramelized, add your garlic and saute until fragrant. Add your chicken and season with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. When chicken is halfway cooked, add your peas and carrots. Set mixture aside and add your egg. Let the egg sit before scrambling it. Add your rice and mix in your butter. Season with salt, pepper, and garlic powder if needed. Add soy sauce. Add sesame oil. Garnish with green onions. And that's how easy it is to make my chicken fried rice. Take a bite. Thank you for watching Ivy's Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe. For the complete recipe, please check out ivyskitchen.net. Until next time, happy cooking!